Oh, hi there. It's Am cooking. Let's get started. I recently got the inspiration from my grandmother. She asked me if I could make Puttu, and I said yes. So here's the recipe. So, here are the ingredients. Oh, snap. Oh, here they are. Okay, now for the ingredient list. The ingredient we need is 1 cup brown rice roasted flour, half a coconut shredded, 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon salt, a put maker. You can see about it in the description below. And a cooker, pressure cooker, half filled with water. Put the flour in a mixing bowl. Then the salt. Add water little by little. Meanwhile, put some water in the cooker and boil it on high. Should be when you apply a little pressure and then press it with your thumb, it should break apart easily. Take the mold and add a handful of coconut. 2 handfuls of the flour in the mold. It's like layers in a cake, so add another handful of coconut again. Alternating until you reach the top and end it with flour. On top of the pressure cooker so that the hole matches the hole in the pressure cooker. After 10 minutes, take it out of the cooker. Here's the technique for removing the puttu from the mold. You take a long stick like this, or you can use a skewer and poke it through the hole. This. Just push it out. Take out the metal. This might be hot. And there's the puttu. Wow, it's like chocolate cake. Put it in there. Put it in there. That is very good. Just as a matter of fact, you can eat it with many other things other than this coconut milk and sugar. You can eat it with any other chutney or stew or that. Thanks for joining in with AM Cooking. Stay tuned for the next video about organic pizza. Bye-bye.